In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Google BigQuery to Google Sheets. This is a powerful way to enable data-driven insights right within your everyday spreadsheet tool, allowing you to harness BigQuery's powerful analytics capabilities with the familiar interface of Google Sheets. Let's walk through this together step by step. First off, you'll want to open your browser and search for Google Sheets. Once you find it, click on the link to bring up the Google Sheets homepage. If you haven't signed in yet, you will need to do so with your Google account. Signing in ensures that you have access to all the features and functionalities necessary for this process. Next, open a new or an existing Google Sheet. If you're beginning with a blank canvas, simply click on the plus sign for a new sheet. Otherwise, you might have existing data you want to extend with insights from BigQuery. In that case, open the relevant sheet directly from your Google Drive. Now, once your sheet is open, navigate to the top menu and select Data. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, go to Data Connectors and then click Connect to BigQuery. The Data Connectors option is a powerful feature that allows you to integrate external data sources directly into your Google Sheets. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your desired BigQuery project. This is where you connect the two Google platforms, Google Sheets and BigQuery. From your BigQuery projects, you can choose an existing dataset and table or view. If you know exactly what you're looking for and prefer more control over the data pulled, you can write a custom query. This flexibility allows you to tailor the data extraction to your specific needs. Once you've selected your project and data source or written your query, click Connect. A new Sheet tab will spring to life, connected to your BigQuery data. This connected sheet becomes a dynamic tool for analyzing and exploring data in Google Sheets. It's important to note that while you can explore and analyze the connected data, direct editing is not possible. This is to maintain the integrity of your original data source. However, if you need to manipulate or edit this data further, you can copy it to a new, unconnected sheet. This gives you the freedom to make changes without affecting the original data. By following these steps, you can effortlessly export data from Google BigQuery to Google Sheets, unlocking a new level of data analysis and decision-making capability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.